For 50 years, scientists have stared at this planet and scratched their heads, not about its poisonous atmosphere, not about its surface hot enough to melt lead. They already knew about those. There was something else. A mysterious layer of haze drifting silently beneath Venus's clouds, detected back in the 1970s by spacecraft. Measured again and again, and never explained. Until 4 days ago. A team of scientists in Japan just published the answer, and where that haze actually comes from. Nobody predicted it. Welcome to Exoplanets and the Search for Life. Today, we are talking about Venus. Understanding Venus is one of the most important things we can do for the search for life. Venus might be the best example of a planet that had everything going for it and lost it, or was never habitable at all. It teaches us which exoplanets are worth studying and which ones are dead ends. So let's talk about what was hiding in that haze. The surface temperature is around 465 degrees Celsius. That is hot enough to melt lead. It has a runaway greenhouse effect. The atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, creating a crushing lake. The pressure is 92 times what you'd feel standing on Earth. Every single probe ever sent to Venus's surface has been destroyed within a few hours. Cooked, crushed, and dissolved. That lower haze layer sitting below 47 kilometers altitude, that is what nobody could explain. Until now. So what is the lower haze made of? The answer, it turns out, is stardust, or more precisely, cosmic dust. The tiny mineral particles left behind when meteors and space rocks burn up in a planet's atmosphere. We call them shooting stars. The research team from Tohoku University in Japan built a detailed computer model of how these cosmic particles behave. When cosmic dust enters Venus's upper atmosphere, it gets coated in the sulfuric acid that makes up the main cloud layer. The particles become seeds for cloud formation, tiny cores around which the acid condenses, just like water droplets here on Earth. Then those acid-coated particles sink. As they drop into warmer air, the sulfuric acid evaporates, leaving the solid mineral core. Those specks then collide. They clump together, building up over time into the mysterious haze layer that has puzzled scientists for 50 years. Venus has another mystery. Something absorbs ultraviolet light from the sun. They call it the unknown UV absorber. The research suggests it might be the same cosmic dust particles, specifically the iron and magnesium metals inside the dust. Professor Terada said, "These findings show that material from space is not just a passive visitor. It can actively shape a planet's climate. If it shapes Venus's clouds and climate, then it is probably shaping the atmospheres of exoplanets too." Was Venus ever habitable? We are still arguing about it. Some models suggest liquid water for 2 billion years. NASA's Da Vinci mission will descend through the atmosphere and directly sample its layers for the first time. Venus is a warning, a mystery, and a mirror. Understanding it makes us better at finding life everywhere else. Hit subscribe and drop a comment. Do you think Venus was ever habitable? I'll see you in the next one.